Many times someone who's not a citizen of the United States is convicted of a crime, and later, sometimes years later, they find that it has triggered immigration consequences. That is, they're about to be deported or removed from the United States, they're not allowed to re-enter the United States, they can't adjust their status, or they're not allowed to naturalize and become a citizen. But in many of these situations, there are avenues of what we call post-conviction relief. That is, ways that we can go back retroactively and attack or negate the conviction in order to avoid those immigration consequences. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 most common and typical ways to get post-conviction relief. The first is to run a motion to overturn or vacate the conviction based on ineffective assistance of counsel, basically saying that the defense attorney was incompetent. The second is resentencing for a conviction for an aggravated felony. Now, usually aggravated felonies are only deportable if there's a sentence of 1 year or more. So sometimes we can go in and have the person resentenced to 364 days in jail, just under a year, and that'll do the trick and avoid deportation. The third is to reduce a felony to a misdemeanor. The fourth is a motion to withdraw a guilty plea or no contest plea. And the fifth is a habeas corpus petition in a situation where the person is still in custody. If you're in one of these situations where you have a conviction that's causing immigration consequences, you want to be sure and get an attorney who understands not only criminal law, but immigration law as well. Because the system is complicated, but there are a lot of different ways to attack the prior conviction, to obtain post-conviction relief, and ultimately to keep you in the United States and keep you on a track where you have an opportunity to gain citizenship.